So between the 21st and the 23rd of June I was seeing the NMT at various locations. So my first catch of it would be on the 21st at Croy. However, my first catch today would be 2N44, the 1242 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Dunblane with 385033. Then this is 1H51, 1219 ScotRail service to Inverness from Glasgow Queen Street with 43163 and 43032. Then this is 1A63, 1249 ScotRail service to Aberdeen from Glasgow Queen Street with 43031 and 43146. Then this is 2N58, 1311 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Alloa with 35018. And then here we come the NMT under 1 Quebec 23, 1317 close rail freight service to Newcastle from Heaton TNR SMD, and it was 43013 and 43299 on it. And then this is now at Glasgow Queen Street coming in at 1343. Then this is 1T82, the 1353 ScotRail service from Dundee with 170,395. Then this is 2W54, the 1356 ScotRail service from Anniesland with 158734. And then it would then form 2W53, the 1304 ScotRail service to Anniesland with again 158734. And then finally this is now 1 Quebec 23 departing at 14:09. And then we go to the day after on the 22nd, where we'd be at Carluke, and my first catch would be 4S99, the early 1044 turn up at 10, DB Cargo service to Grangemouth TGG AWS from Southbank Tees Docks with 66013. And then this is OK01, the 1008 DB Cargo service to Appleby from Moss End Down Yard with 67020 and 90036. Then here she came on the 1 Quebec 26, the 1050 close rail freight service to Edinburgh Waverley from Derby RTC 0 with 43299 and 43013. And then this would be the last time I see it on the 22nd, where it would now be the 1222 through Uddingston with 43013 now leading and 43299 trailing. And then for our last time seeing it would be at Carlisle, where it'd now be running the 1 Quebec 26 again, the 0959 close rail freight service crew LNWR site from Slateford Depot with 43299 and 013.